The Wright State University Library has installed 4 new FitDesk exercise bikes into the second floor study area. The FitDesk bikes were designed to allow mobility and exercise for students looking to keep their energy levels up while studying on campus. The FitDesk also allows students a way to fit in exercise they may not otherwise be able to include in their busy schedules.
We always are checking in with students about what kinds of things that they want, and so one of the things that students had mentioned was standing desks, and that led to some of us in our department taking a look at research on the detriments of sitting for too long, which led to looking at some treadmill desks, and then we found some information about these bike desks that other university libraries had installed, and they were a cost-effective way to support students being non-sedentary while they're studying.
Research has shown that remaining stationary for long periods of time adversely affects the brain, and that remaining active can positively affect the way the brain takes in information. So far, students have all been very receptive to the bikes, and libraries said that they've been used daily since they were installed.
I think a lot of students are they're excited to try something new, something different. There's 4 of the bikes, so they can come here with friends and just either just take a quick study break or study together, because they're close enough to where you're not going to bump elbows with each other, but then you can still talk and have you're not going to be shouting across anything, because they're very quiet and they're very easy to use.
The library said that they continue to look for ways to address a wide array of students and what they can do to make sure that they're given the tools they need for the most educational experience.
In terms of study space, as I mentioned, I know students need a lot of variety of things, and we're always checking in with students on that. Students wanted bookable space. We have private study rooms, we have group study rooms, we have multimedia studios that they can use. So basically whatever type of space or service the students are looking for, we've got them covered.
For more information on the bikes and the Wright State Library, please visit WDTN.com. Reporting for WDTN.com, I'm Phil Wiedenheft.